What's going on, guys? This is Kyle from GuideWise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to write a Fiverr gig description. Once you're on your Seller dashboard, select My Business in the top row and then Gigs. Then go to your gig and select Edit. Then make sure you're under the description and FAQ section. So where it says briefly describe your gig, you want to start by introducing the service that you provide. Next, explain exactly what the buyer will receive. Then mention your experience or qualifications to build trust. Use short paragraphs and bullet points to make the description easy to read. For example, we could say something like, looking for a professional YouTube video editor, you're in the right place. I will edit your videos with smooth transitions, engaging captions, royalty-free music, and color correction to help your content stand out. I offer fast delivery, high quality editing, and friendly communication throughout the project. Place your order today or send me a message if you have any questions. As you can see, there's also a friendly call to action at the end. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise.